The time until the next car accident is exponentially distributed with mean 200 days. Find the probability that the driver has no accidents in the next 365 days, but then has at least one accident in the 365-day period that follows this initial 365 day period. So we are to find the probability that there are no accidents in the first 365 days, and at least one accident in the next 365 days. Now that's just another way of saying that the first accident takes place somewhere between 365 and 730 days, because 365 plus 365 is 730. So if we let X be the number of days until the next car accident, or until the first car accident from now, then we are given that that one is exponentially distributed with mean 200. That's right. That's the time until the next car accident is exponential with mean 200. So big F of X would be 1 minus e to the negative X by 200. So as we said, that no accident in the first 365 days and at least one accident during the next 365 days is equivalent to saying that the number of days it takes for the first accident is between 365 and 730. So, like one way, if you're not convinced why this statement is equivalent to this, one way to see it is that two statements are equivalent if each implies the other. So if there is at least one, if there is no accident in the first 365 days, and at least one in the next 365 days, it means that the first accident has happened somewhere between 365 and 730. And then if you take the second statement, that the number of days it takes for the first accident to occur between 365 and 70, it means no accident happened between 0 and 365, because the first accident happened somewhere between 365 and 730. And since the first accident happened between 365 and 730, so at least one accident happened between 365 and 730. And so everything that this statement is saying implies this first statement. So in effect, we need the probability that X is between 365 and 370. And that's big F of 730 minus big F of 365. So when we substitute the values here, we get 0.135. That is choice B.